Hey babes, it's Sav and welcome back to Sav's Reality. I hope y'all had a great Valentine's Day. But anyways, I am back with another video, one of my favorite videos to do every month. Can y'all guess what it is? Boxycharm. Y'all, I freaking love Boxycharm. We already know. I don't need to re-hype it up. It's the freaking best thing ever. So let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, well, opening that took forever, but anyways, so I got it open, and so just opening it up, it's the same old, same old. Let's see what this time's theme is. It says Galaxy Glow. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, I'm scared. So anyways, I'm just gonna lift this up and pick something. It's this little round box. Boxes aren't round. Okay, anyways, it says Cover XF Shimmer Veil. Let's see what it is. I'm struggling with opening things. Oh wow, okay. Wow. Not for resale. Well, okay. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's just this little tube. It's a very rose gold, maybe with more of a pink tone. Swatch out. Oh my wow. That's a lot. Can y'all see that? Wow. Okay. So here's the thing. I like this, but like I was scared whenever we got the theme. I'm scared. Now, does this go with the theme? Yes. But is this something I would wear? No. And this product sells for $28 in store. Okay, so reaching for the next thing, I'm going to go with this. It feels like an eye pencil. Smoky eye pencil. Yes, by Jessica Liebinskind. It says it's by Vintage, so I'm going to go ahead and do this for you too. Okay, that's really pretty also. But again, I don't really do eyeliner, if y'all can't tell. The only time I do eyeliner is when somebody else does it on me. So is this something I'm going to use? No. And this product retails for $21. Okay, so now we're going to reach for the next thing. I'm going to go for the one that feels smallest again. What is this? It is a little tube by Pure Cosmetics. That's a plus. I love Pure. Oh, and it's definitely clear. Okay, so is this like a highlight? Oh, okay. Let's see. It says Fox Lip Plumping Lip Exfoliator. So I just swatched a lip exfoliator. That's fun. And this retails for $17. Okay, so now I'm going to reach in and grab for the next thing. Everything else seems to be pretty big, and I'm going to grab this. It is a brush set from Crown. Okay, wow. So it has 3 brushes in it. A bigger one for the eyes, and then a smaller one. I'm not sure what I would technically use the smaller one for, but this is still something really neat to get in because what girl couldn't use a new brush? And this retails for $29.99. Okay, so reaching in for the next thing, it looks like I lied. This is smaller. It is by Ofra Cosmetics. Looks like a blush. Yes, it says Blush Winter Rose Glow. Let's take this out. Oh, wow. Okay. So, I'm trying not to let it fall, but this is what that looks like. Okay. Okay, so that's what that looks like. That's really pretty. It's a nice, dark, warm tone. The only thing I don't like is that it comes just as a pan. I don't have anything to put this in. So if I wanted to use this, I would have to put it back into this and then back into this every single time. And I'm really scared that it would get damaged doing that all the time. But still, Ofra Cosmetics is a really, I got it stuck. It's a really good brand. And so I appreciate them including that. And I do really like this color. This retails for $12. Okay, so it does look like there is something else in there. Something quite big by Ofra. Okay, this is, Alright, so I don't know what this is, so. Oh. Well, I guess that solves my initial problem. What this is. Let me get this back out. It is something for you to stick that in. So I get what they did. It's really clever. I understand what they did. They sent us, what is this technically called? They sent us a pop-up palette mini, which retails for $19, and they gave us one shade to put in there with the hope and intention that we would go buy more of that product, which I guess that's what the whole hope and intention of this box in general is. But this one was a really far stretch in my opinion. I really like having one of these. I've never had one of these before. I just complained that I didn't have one of them. So I guess that's in one sense an answer to a problem. But at the same time, I don't know that I would count this as a product. So that they give us 5 products, 5 full-size products. But that just doesn't seem like a full-size blush to me. I guess it is. It's just a very small full size. So I'm not sure how I feel about this box in general. It's not that the products themselves are bad, it's that the products aren't for me. So for being honest, the main thing I will use from this is this, and that's a little bit frustrating. This brush set is actually for contouring. I went and read more on the sheet. It says that the medium brush, this one, can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. That this large one in the middle is a powder brush, which can be used to set everything in place. I already have a brush for setting. And then this skinny one, it says, can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. So I think that they had really good intentions. I just don't think that their intentions worked for me. Does that make it a bad box in general? No. Does it make it my least favorite box yet? Yes. I didn't see this until just now, and this does make it a little bit better, but they did give us a little coupon for CoverFX. It's 20% off your next purchase at coverfx.com with a code. And so I don't usually order stuff online, but I always hold on to these in the scenario that I do. So that's always a nice thing for them to add. So based off of the prices on this pamphlet, this box comes to $127. I wouldn't pay $127 for the things in this box. And maybe I'm being just a little bit judgmental, but I'm not impressed. Am I going to cancel Boxycharm? No, are you kidding? Half of my makeup collection comes from this. But I am not pleased with this box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let me know if you're doing Boxycharm, and if so, what products you got, what products you liked, or what you didn't like. I love to hear feedback from y'all. Anyways, I hope that y'all have a great weekend. I love y'all. Bye, babes.